Our project is traffic management using VANETs, in which we have used the simulator Sumo. In this we use XML files as input to perform a simulation in which the scenario is of an emergency vehicle which is getting late due to traffic. Now we have used a Python script to modify this simulation and create a scenario in which the emergency vehicle will be given a preference over the normal vehicles to overcome the delay.
Now these are all the input files that we have to the Sumo. The first one is cause.node.xml. It contains the information about the nodes. Here are all the nodes that we are using in our network. Now this is cross.edge.xml. It contains the information about all the edges that are present in our network. Cross.con.xml. It contains information about the connections. And this is a netc file that basically combines all the three files, cause.node.xml, edge and connections, and generate the output file cause.net. This is the output file generated, and it contains information about the edges, about the nodes and various connections. Cause.route.xml is another input file which contains information about vehicle type, routes, vehicle ID, since each vehicle is identified by its own ID. We have many vehicles in our system to generate the realistic real-life model while we are simulating our network. This is cause.sumo.cfg. It is a configuration file where it defines the file net and route. Now this is a netconvert command which uses edges, nodes and connection file to generate the network file. This is done. Now we are using sumo GUI command to generate the GUI interface. This is the simulation. Setting to the real world. This is our network. We can see the vehicles coming from both the lanes, east-west lane as well as the north-south lane. And they are meeting at the intersection. Now we can see some of the parameters here. This is the lane 2 I_0. These are the vehicles. They have their own IDs. This is the junction, the center junction. These are some more parameters of a lane. Now we can see the lights here, green light and the red light. These work as in a normal life scenario. And one is green, the other is red. Now we can see that emergency vehicle are pausing at the red light. That means they are in delaying queue, they are in waiting queue.
This is a final Python file. In this we have used the Sumo TRACI module. The TRACI module is a client server based module. So we have used this port to interact with Sumo. These are the values of the traffic lights, green, red and yellow, and these are mapped onto these variables which we'll be using to control the traffic light later on. This is the number of vehicles for the simulation. These are for randomly generating probabilities. Now here we have generated the routes file, defined the vehicle types, all the routes and the details of the vehicles, their types and which route they'll be taking, at what time they'll be departing. Now we have started the sub-process of Sumo GUI for running the Sumo GUI. And this is the TRSA part in which we are controlling the traffic light using this Python script. This is a final simulation in which we run the simulation through a Python file. This is the simulation. In this we have used a detector. As you can see here, this detector will detect whenever a vehicle is on top of it and sends a signal to the traffic light. So whenever a vehicle passes, this traffic light will be green and automatically this will be red. which will allow the vehicle to always pass through this junction. The vehicles coming from north will be the emergency vehicles. So the emergency vehicles will be given a preference over the normal vehicles passing on the west-east lane.